Christmas 2020. Y'all stay tuned. Take it away, boys. Let her rip. Wow, that'll put you in the Christmas spirit. That's E's Jammy Jams. Check them out. Lady Kinwich and I would like to take this time to wish each and every one of you a very, very Merry Christmas. 2020 has been extremely exciting. We've got through processing our Cornish Rock roosters that we got from Welp's hatcheries up there in Iowa. And we also got some wheat and soybeans and rice from Azure Standard there in Portland. We'd like to take this time to wish them and their family a very Merry Christmas also and a Happy New Year. We look forward to working with them again coming up here in spring. And basically, if you don't know, what we do here is we teach people how to farm their backyard or their patio or their balcony. There's a difference in backyard urban farming compared to gardening. When you go and garden, you go down to the box stores and you buy, plant, harvest, it dies, repeat. Backyard gardening, we do a whole bunch more. We cover everything from bees to chickens, and for livestock is rabbits, and got crayfish back there and some goats. We also do produce and vegetables, hugelculture, aquaponics, anaerobics, aerobics, and so we teach people how to do that and how to be a lot more self-sufficient, where they can feed their families in a backyard situation, so that they can rely and be self-sufficient. And we teach you how to amend the soil and how to build composts and just how to forage and utilize whatever you've got in your own backyard. It's been extremely exciting here. We've gone through like 3 or 4 hurricanes, and we have lost some of our mobile outbuildings like the hoop coops and a couple of greenhouses, but thank God our home has been spared, and the hoop coops and all of that has been rebuilt. On previous videos you can see where I was brought them back online, and it's been, like I said, it's been exciting. We are definitely again looking forward to 2021 to start this process all over again. And like I said, I and Lady Kinwich want to wish each and every one of you a very, very Merry Christmas. You'll all have a very blessed day.